NotebookLM just announced a brand new update called Cinematic Video Overviews. I've been testing this out for the past 24 hours, and I have found them to be absolutely gorgeous. However, there are some problems with them that still need to be ironed out. So first of all, this is only available if you have a Google AI Ultra account. However, NotebookLM says that this is coming out for pro users very soon. So if you don't have access to it yet, this video can be a little bit of a preview for you. Once this feature is available to you, you'll notice it up here on the top right. It'll say Cinematic Video Overview option. You can either click right here or click on Video Overview. That will pop up the same box no matter which one you use. And this is the same customized video overview box you've seen in the past, but now there's a new format here called Cinematic. The first time I did this, all I did was click on Generate. I didn't enter in anything into the prompt box, and this is what it made for me.
Everywhere you look, modern systems are piling on layers of complexity. From digital ecosystems to daily commutes, we navigate constant sensory overload.
I mean, the first time I saw this, this absolutely blew my mind. It is so gorgeous. And when you compare it to the old video overviews, I have one that I made about a couple of months ago here.
Let's jump right in. Today, we're talking about Tenkara. It's this traditional Japanese.
You can see just how different it is. This one was fine, but it's basically just a slideshow with someone talking over it. So much different than the new cinematic overviews. And throughout this video, there are just some stunning images and visuals that were created. Even where it uses still images, there's just so much more depth and nuance to them. I mean, just check out how gorgeous that is. That is absolutely incredible. I've also noticed that the new video overviews are better at following styling prompts. For instance, inside of this notebook, which is all about traveling to Japan, instead of just clicking on video overview and generate, I actually told it that I wanted to create a video overview in the style of a Japanese manga. And here you can see it created this gorgeous looking video that did a pretty good job of following that styling prompt. Throughout the entire thing, we're seeing exactly the type of visuals I was looking for. And just like the last video, some of the animations absolutely blew me away. Here's another one that I made. This is all about the correct running form, and I asked it to create it in American comic book style, and I mean, check that out. That looks absolutely awesome. I absolutely love the way this one came out. And then we have this one, which is all about how to bake perfect chocolate chip cookies, and the style I asked for is a kids' television show. And I think it did a pretty good job of keeping up with that style. However, the cinematic overviews are not perfect. While a lot of the videos have come out absolutely incredible, and a lot of the motion graphics are also really nice, not all of them are. Check out this one right here. This is about fishing, and this line is not even connected to the rod. The rod isn't even extended, so it just looks a little bit off. Or we have this one right here where it's a scale, and obviously these should be on the scale and they're not. So again, just a little bit off there. And sometimes it creates hilarious results, like this chocolate chip cookie that apparently has cheese in it. So overall, a solid first step. The images look amazing, the videos look amazing, a lot of the motion graphics look good, and just some of them need some work. I think if you're using this to learn on your own, it's perfect. For a classroom, it probably works, but I wouldn't use this in a professional environment yet. Now, let me know what you think though in the comment section down below. Then click on this video right here because this is my complete free course on how to use NotebookLM. So if you want to get the most out of it and learn everything I know about NotebookLM, definitely click on this video right here and I'll see you over there in just 1 second. Bye for now.